See some pretty insanely fast laps coming in. Gordy with the 7-2 fast lap. We have Eddie with 7-3.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road Racing. This is Sunday, February 25th, 2024. We're going to go in an A-main with the sedan. This is the Mugen MTC2R. And I made it through 3 qualifying rounds and held my way and stayed in the A group the entire time. So I'm happy about that. I did drop down a bit in the A group, so I'm starting 5th, P5. We're going to have a P5 start. Changes are none. Since the last race, I haven't done anything except for just service it, make sure that things haven't got tweaked. I'm using the blocks that go into these sliding upper caster mounts quite often to make sure that nothing moved. I'm checking for chassis tweak by pushing it down and loosening off these 4 screws and just making sure you don't have a chassis that's tweaked. Other than that, make sure your droop settings have kind of stayed the way they are, and ride height, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll be going out in an A-main with the Mugen MTC2R. The biggest difference in why I'm able to stay in the A-main consistently now is going to a softer tire. The Hootie 28s have helped immensely to keep my speed up. That works out great. Here we go in stock sedan A-main. I'm going to be starting from P5. Now I have just found some damage. I have a cracked lower front left arm. So we'll see if I can get through this race with it cracked, or if it breaks totally, but I think it should make it. It'll just change how the car handles as we go. It'll active droop changes. We'll see. I've sort of compensated for it as best we can. We'll see if it holds. Man, even with a broken arm, the car still feels pretty good. You need me to go through again?
No. Your car's not. Oh, there it is. Alright, you're gonna get things lined up. It's gonna be Gordy, Eddie, Jake, Mark, John, Clint,
30
and
seconds
Colton.
to the start of the race.
Gordy, Eddie.
Not 30 seconds.
Gordy,
to the start of the
Eddie,
race, hopefully
Jake.
less. So Gordy, Eddie, Jake, Mark, John, Clint, and Colton. Everybody ready? Alright, drivers.
Alright, here we go. Sedan A-main.
Do we have Marshall coverage? Perfect. Marshall's ready. Less than 5. On the tone.
Oh, she spun on me. Yeah, it feels weird.
All right, we have Gordy up front, followed by Eddie, Jake, Mark.
See if I can make it back.
John, fast car track right now is going to be your 5th place car. Clint with a 7-4 fast lap. Gordy currently with the 7-5.
Yeah, man.
Eddie with the 7-6. Oh, Gordy now with the fast lap. 7-4-8 fastest lap. Oh, what's being true? All right, track is clear. That car looks like it's going to be traction rolling. Oh, it's a grippy track now, I guess. So
Heck
Gordy
yeah, it is.
by Eddie, Jake, Mark, Colton, John, and Clint. Battles everywhere. Gordy and Eddie battling it out for the lead. Eddie and Jake battling it out.
Battling with Colton.
Jake and Mark battling it out. Colton and John are battling it out. That's your 5th and 6th place car.
Oh, push that.
0.2 seconds separating Gordy and Eddie on track. 0.8 seconds separating Eddie and Jake.
Lap 503 flat pace, followed by Eddie in 2nd place
All
with
right,
a
see if I
39
can
lap
reel him in again.
504.2 pace, followed by Jake in 3rd place with a 38 lap 5.0.3 pace, followed by Mark in 4th place with a 38 lap 504.6 pace, followed by Colton in 5th place with a 36 lap 504 flat pace, followed by John K in 6th place with a 36 lap 505.9 pace, followed by Clint in 7th place with a 33 lap 504.3 pace.
Now we're starting to see some pretty insanely fast laps coming in. Gordy with the 7-2 fastest lap. We have Eddie with 7-3. Jake
But
with the,
can I pass him? That's the question.
Mark as well. Colton with the 7-5 fast lap. John with the 7-6.
Are we gonna pull over for these guys? Okay. Oh shit! Sorry.
Eddie with the 75 lap average as well. Jake currently rocking the 7-6 lap average. Mark with the 7-6 as well. Colton
God, I screwed myself.
John with the 8-second and Clint with 8.86 lap average.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds,
I like Clint by instead of Mark.
Gordy in 1st place
just
with a 40 lap
dumb.
504.3 pace, followed by Eddie in 2nd place with a 39 lap 502.5 pace, followed by Jake in third place with a 39 lap 503.5 pace, followed by Mark in fourth place with a 39 lap 505.3 pace, followed by Colton in fifth place with a 37 lap 503.2 pace, followed by John K in sixth place with a 36 lap 50 flat pace, followed by Clint in seventh place with a 35 lap 508.3 pace.
Gordy going even faster with 7-1 fastest lap. Close battle on track between your second and third place car, Eddie and Jake. Currently separated by
See if I can
2
find
seconds on
that
track.
pink, but he's getting away on me now.
Eddie currently with a 7-3 fast lap. We have Jake with a 7-4 lap. Mark currently with a 7-4 lap. We have Colton with a 7-5 lap. John currently with a 7-6 and Clint with a 7-4. Currently, Gordy's with the 7-4 lap average. We have Eddie with a 7-6 lap average. Jake currently with a 7-6 as well. Mark currently rocking 7-7. Colton with the 7-9. John with the 8-7 lap average.
With the followed by Eddie in second place with a 39 lap 50 flat pace, followed by Jake in third place with a 39
I don't want to let that green lap me again.
followed by Mark in fourth place with a 39 lap 507 flat pace.
I think this is for position now.
Yeah, I like this stuff though.
5.0.6 pace, followed by John K in sixth place with a 36 lap 50 flat pace, followed by Clint in seventh place with a 36 lap 504.4 pace.
Oh, he pushed it too hard. He pushed it.
1 minute left.
Alright, 1 minute remaining. We still have going up front by big crash at the end of the straightaway. That's Clint's car. Not mistaken. On his roof as well.
Whoa.
Looks like he's right, but
45 seconds left.
alright, 45 seconds left in the race. Cody up front, followed by Eddie, Jake, Mark, Colton, and John.
Oh no.
Minutes 21 seconds. The top drivers are Gordy in first place with a 41 lap 506.7 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 40 lap 506.1 pace, followed by Jake in third place with a 40 lap 507.4 pace, followed by Mark in fourth place with a 39 lap 506.7 pace, followed by Colton in fifth place with a 37 lap.
Oh, there you go. Damn.
John K in
Oh, 2 cars starting on the infield. Hold on the infield.
followed by Clint in seventh place with a 35
Cody's not on the infield anymore.
pace.
Perfect. 5 seconds left of the race. We have
Man, I've got your pace. I just can't deal with the traffic or trying to pass anybody.
Did we on track?
40 done.
Woo! It finished. It finished with a broken arm. All right.
Careful. Race is not over.
Eddie done.
It's okay. We're done. We're done.
Cody takes it over Eddie, Jake, Mark, Colton,
The race is
John, and Clint. Looks like we have a little
Not bad, not bad.
One of your cars.
What's that?
If,
Oh, right. Man, Clint, you had the speed. You just got to keep it on the road. Holy crap, man. All right, guys, that was Sedan AMAIN. It was that was a wild one, but that was fun. Anyway, didn't come last. Did drop a position, but the bump up did beat me. But that was a fun race. All right, guys, enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you're new and subscribe. You want to talk to me? Comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. The arm that's broken is this one. On too dark in there, but yeah, it's cracked through the carbon, so it's not as stiff as it should be. That's for sure. All right, guys, thanks for watching.